little lit. How this looks. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel, Raw. Today we're gonna be exploring Broadway in San Diego, California. There's gonna be series 2 of the night tour in San Diego. Right now we're in the outskirts of downtown San Diego, so you're gonna see a lot of more residential areas. Broadway is another main street that goes all the way to downtown San Diego. I'll probably pop in one of these neighborhoods, that way you guys can see what you're dealing with over here. So there's episode 2 of the night series. Hopefully you guys can see clearly, even though it's dark, on how the area looks. Like I was saying in the other episode, San Diego is very bike friendly. So you'll see a lot of electric vehicles around the area. San Diego also have little parking zones. That way you can park these electric vehicles. Here the bike, look, as you can see on the floor, the bike share lanes with the cars. You don't really have to park the bikes. Undesignated parking zones, you can park it anywhere. They have little zones around the area where you cannot ride or park the bikes. Those were 2 San Diego police vehicles. If you haven't watched my other video, I was comparing San Diego and LA's homeless community. And so far what I've seen, I haven't seen a lot of homeless people in this area. We're slowly approaching the downtown area. Got some people probably coming out of the bar, a little happy. We go through one of the sidewalks. I believe it's 8 o'clock and look how dead it is over here. In New York City, you'll definitely see way more people. So far in this trip to San Diego, everything has been nice. Enjoying the palm trees, the weather. the views. The architecture. Police presence is high over here. I feel like every 5 minutes that I'm cutting this light. Every 5 minutes that I look around or drive around, I see a cop in the area, which is great. Surely, but closely approaching more foot traffic around the downtown district of San Diego. With the wheels, you could definitely ride it like this. But I don't know, I feel more comfortable actually riding it standing up. Do a little sidewalk. My boy a little lit. You're gonna see more foot traffic is a gas lamp. I keep saying gas light district. Let's actually go over here. Let's see if I can show you a little sign. Over here you have a nice little park. Oh, and almost everywhere they have security in San Diego, which is awesome, you know. They really keep their tourists safe. But let's go through here. I'll show you around. A little more life around here. There's a gas lamp district. And we're in a weekday, so you're not gonna see a lot of people. We're definitely off track. This video is about Broadway. Look, another little station here to park the car, to park the electric. Here, they're probably making up ahead of us. I think I just saw a drug deal. Maybe they didn't catch that on camera. All right, let's make it right here. Turner, let's see what this. How this looks. Whee! Another security guard in front of us. I've never done a night video, so hopefully the quality is not as bad as I'm thinking it is. This video is gonna come to an end very soon. Stay tuned to the next episode. The episode that I have planned next is gonna be the outskirts of San Diego. There you can see Petco Park and hopefully like the skylines of San Diego. Got the little bike gang. Let me not kill myself over here. Everybody love riding these scooters around here. This video almost coming to an end. I hope you guys are enjoying these little series of San Diego, California. Definitely very different than New York. But I'm enjoying my stay over here. So here's where we end the Broadway road. So that means the video is going to end over here. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment. Appreciate all the support. Hope all of you have a good one. Peace.